Hello everyone, my name is Riya and in this video I'm going to explain a program which is based on friend function. So first of all, let me read out the question for you. Create a class called distance with its data members feet and inches. One constructor should initialize this data to 0 and another should initialize it to fixed values. Another member function should display it. The final member function should overload plus operator so that the two distances can be added together. Make it as a friend function. So in this question, first of all we'll be including the header file, that is #include iostream, and the standard library function using namespace std. Then I've defined a class named distance over here, and its data members are feet and inches. Feet is of data type int and inches is of data type float. And I've also defined a constructor in which feet and inches are initialized to 0. And then we have another constructor which have two parameters. One is int f and another one is float I. So we are storing feet is equal to f and inches is equal to I. And we have another function in this class which is void display, which will be displaying the feet and inches. And I've done the declaration of friend function, that is friend distance operator plus, here plus operator is overloaded with two parameters of type distance. So we'll be defining it outside the class. This is only the function declaration inside the friend function declaration inside the class. Friend function can only be declared inside the class, it cannot be defined. So we generally define it outside the class. So outside the class we are defining it, and first of all we are creating a temporary variable of type distance, and we are adding the two feet values, that is d1 temp.feet is equal to d1.feet plus d2.feet, and temp.inches is equal to d1.inches plus d2.inches, and finally we will be returning 10. Then in the main function we are creating three objects. One is d1, then d2 with parameters 2 and 2.2 and d3, and in d1 we are adding the two values d1 plus d2. This basically the plus operator is called over here, so automatically it will be calculated. And finally we are using object d3, will be displaying the required distance. Now let us see how this program runs. Yeah, so my feet and inches after calculation is displayed.